Lektion 10, Kleidung und Mode. Lesson number 10, cloth and fashion. Here Kleidung means cloth und Mode. Mode means fashion. So now let us start this lesson. So first we'll see 1a. Jana's Verabredung. Jana's Verabredung means Jana's dating. Verabredung has two meanings, dating and another is meeting. But in this text, here Verabredung means dating. Jana's dating. Sehen Sie den Comic an? Please underline sehen and an. Ansehen means to look. You look at the comic und schreiben Sie die Aussagen and you write down the statements in the builder, in the picture. So actually here you have to write which statements suit which pictures here. So you will find here total 12 pictures. So which picture suit which statement that you have to write. So first we'll see the meaning of these statements. Oh nein, was sehe ich denn nur an? Please underline sihe and an. Anzihan is a separable verb. It means to wear, to put on. Means oh nein, what sihe ich denn nur an? Means oh no, what I supposed to wear then? What I supposed to wear then? Danke, danke means thank you. Das Kleid steht Ihnen sehr gut. Das Kleid steht Ihnen sehr gut means the dress suits on you very well. Here Kleid means dress. State means suit. The dress suits on you very well. The blouse is nicht schön. The blouse is nicht schön means the blouse is not nice or beautiful. Schön means nice or beautiful. Kauf doch ein Kleid. Kauf doch ein Kleid means buy one dress. Actually here Kleid means dress. This is a phrase. Kauf doch ein Kleid means buy one dress. Hoffentlich finde ich hier etwas. Hoffentlich finde ich hier etwas means hopefully I find here something. Hopefully I find here something. Das mag 89 Euro bitte. Das mag 89 Euro bitte means that makes 89 Euro. Jetzt schnell nach Hause. Jetzt schnell nach Hause means now quickly to the house. Okay, now quickly to the house. Oh, das ist aber schon. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Und teuer and expensive. Oh, that is nice and expensive. Super T-shirt. Du siehst toll aus. Means super T-shirt. You are looking great. Please underline here siehst and aus. Actually, it's a separable verb. Aussehen. Aussehen means to look. Sehen when we conjugate with do, it becomes siehst. You are looking great. The rock is zu kurz, means the skirt is too short. The hose is zu klein, means the pant is too small. Ach, heute Abend endlich. Oh, today evening, finally. Endlich means finally. So now let us discuss which statement suit which picture. So see, I already wrote the answers here. So just see the answers. So see, first, actually she fixed dating with her boyfriend. So she is saying, ach, heute Abend endlich. Oh, today evening finally. Next, Bill zwei, which statement suit? Oh nein, was sehe ich denn nur an? Means, oh no, what I supposed to wear then? Bill drei, the hose is zu klein, means the pant is too small. Next, their rock is zu kurz, means the skirt is too short. Bill 5, the blouse is nicht schön, means the blouse is not nice. Kauf doch ein Kleid, buy one dress. Actually, she try all the clothes, okay, but some clothes are small, some clothes are not nice. So she call her friend suggest, okay, she call her friend suggest, kauf doch ein Kleid, means you buy one dress. Next, Bild 7. Here which statement so hoffentlich finde ich hier etwas means hopefully I find here something. Build up. Oh, das ist aber schon und teuer means that is nice and expensive. Okay, that is nice and expensive. Teuer means expensive. Okay, that is nice and expensive. Next, das Kleid steht Ihnen sehr gut. So here Das Kleid steht Ihnen sehr gut means the dress suits on you very well. Next, Bild sehen, das mag 89 € bitte. Das mag 89 € bitte means that makes 89 €. Elf adds schnell nach Hause. Now quickly to the house. Bild solve. This lady is saying super t-shirt, super t-shirt. Du siehst toll aus. You are looking great. So this person say danke, thank you. Okay. So please you write down the answers on your textbook. Okay. Now we'll see B. See actually what is the story here? Story is this girl. She fixed the dating with her boyfriend. Then she try different cloth. Okay, but it's not suits on her. Okay, so she call her friend. Her friend suggests buy one dress. So she go to the mall and she buy one dress and she go for a dating. So see, baby, eins B, hören Sie zwei Dialoge. You listen the two dialogues. Welcher Dialog passt zu der Geschichte? Means which dialogue suits to the story. Ein oder zwei means one or two. Okay, so I will play the audio. You listen carefully. So which audio suits to this story? Okay, so please listen carefully and you write down. One moment.
Kapitel 10 Kleidung und Mode. Aufgabe 1b. Dialog 1.
Hey Jana,
Hallo Andreas, tolle Party, oder?
ja, jetzt bist du ja hier. Jetzt ist es eine tolle Party.
Du bist süß.
Du siehst super aus. Das Kleid ist echt schön.
Danke.
Dialog 2.
Hey Jana,
Hallo Andreas, tolle Party, oder?
ja, jetzt bist du ja hier. Jetzt ist es eine tolle Party.
Du bist süß.
Du siehst super aus. Das T-Shirt ist echt schön.
Danke.
So which audio suits here? Which dialogue suits? Dialogue zwei. Okay. Dialogue zwei suits to this story. Okay. So now we'll see next exercise. Zwei A. Welche Kleidung tragen Sie wann oder wo? Means which cloth you wear when or where. Arbeiten Sie mit dem Wörterbuch. You work with the dictionary und berichten Sie and you report. Means you have to write here which cloth you wear when and where. Okay, you can take the help of dictionary and you can write here. Zu Hause, when you are at a home. Okay, are at house, which cloth you wear, like their pullover means sweater. By their Arbeit, okay, at the work or in the office, in their uni, in the university, in their Schule, in the school. So what you wear, that you have to write. Beim Sport, while playing sport. Abend beim Ausgehen, evening while going out. Okay, so just you search in the dictionary and you write down what you wear at these places. Zwei just activity. They are saying welche Wörter sind in andere Sprachen ähnlich oder gleich? Means which words are in other languages similar or same? Collect means like what are the similar words? Like in German they call das T-shirt. Okay, so in English also we call das T-shirt. So like it's similar, like jeans. In German also they call jeans. In English also we call jeans. So what are the similar words that they are asking you to write here? Okay, now we'll see dry A. O kaufen Sie Ihre Kleidung means where you buy your cloth. Where you buy your cloth. Kreuzen Sie an, you cross. Und vergleichen Sie im Kurs, and you compare in the classroom. So they are just asking you where you buy the cloth. So see, im Kleidergeschäft means cloth shop, im Internet, in the internet, auf dem Markt, in the market, im Kaufhaus, in the shopping mall, im Katalog, in the catalog. So where you buy your cloth, like for example, ich kaufe meine Kleidung im Kleidergeschäft, means in the cloth shop, like im Kleidergeschäft, im Internet, und im Kaufhaus. So like that you mark here where you buy the cloth. Okay, O kaufen Sie Ihre Kleidung. Now we'll see dry B. Hören Sie den Dialoge, you listen the dialogue. O will Andrea Kleidung kaufen, where Andrea want to buy cloth. You listen the dialogue and you write down where Andrea want to buy the cloth. So I will play the audio here. Listen carefully and you write down where Andrea want to buy the clothes.
Aufgabe 3b.
Mensch, ich brauche echt was Neues zum Anziehen.
Schau doch mal im Internet unter www.topanziehen.de. Da gibt's super Sachen.
Ah gut, das mache ich gleich mal. www.topanziehen.de. Gut. Herren? Oh, echt cool.
So where Andrea want to buy cloth? Im Internet. You want to buy im Internet. Unter www.topanziehen.de. Okay, so you want to buy in the internet unter www.topanziehen.de. Okay, so this is the answer. Please make a note of this. Im Internet unter topanziehen.de. Next we'll see. Say, hören Sie das Gespräch, you listen the conversation weiter, you listen the conversation further, und notieren Sie, and you make a note, wer findet was good, who find what good. So here what Andrea find good and what Jana find good. Okay, like Jana find t-shirt good. So what Andrea like, okay, and what Jana find good. So please listen the audio and you write down.
Aufgabe 3c.
Hab ich doch gesagt. Hier, dieses T-Shirt ist doch total schön.
Welches?
Das blaue T-Shirt ganz rechts.
Ja, stimmt. Das ist ganz gut. Und wie wäre dieses Hemd hier? Das sieht doch toll aus.
Dieses Hemd? Also wirklich nicht. Das ist ja schrecklich.
Also, ich find's gut.
Aber hier, schau mal. Dieser Pullover ist doch toll.
Welcher denn?
Dieser hier.
Der? Blau-Rot-Grün? Nee, der ist viel zu bunt. Das mag ich nicht.
Ja, ja, dir gefällt immer nur schwarz oder grau.
Ja, und warum nicht? Wow, hier diese Hose. Super, oder?
Also, ich weiß nicht. Die ist ja auch wieder schwarz. Finde ich langweilig. Scroll mal weiter runter. Hier, diese Jeans. Die sieht gut aus.
Welche meinst du? Diese hier? Nee, die gefällt mir überhaupt nicht.
Hose, Pulli, T-Shirt. Was suchst du eigentlich?
Keine Ahnung. Ich brauche einfach mal wieder was Neues.
Okay, so we'll see the answers. What Andrea like, what Andrea find good, and what Jana find. So I will write the answers here. See, Andrea like the t-shirt, the t-shirt. Next, what like the hemmed, the shirt, and the hose, the pant. Okay. Next, what Yana like? Yana like the t-shirt. Next, their pullover. Their pullover means sweater and the jeans. Okay. So this thing Yana like. Yana find good. Okay. Now we'll see day. Hören Sie das Ende des Dialogs. Means you listen the end of the dialogue. Was bestellt Andreas? Means what order Andrea. You listen the end of the dialogue. What order Andrea. So listen the audio carefully and you write down what order the Andrea.
Aufgabe 3D.
Sieh mal, der Mantel ist doch toll, oder?
Welcher Mantel denn?
Na, dieser hier.
Findest du? Also ich finde diese Jacke hier viel besser.
Welche Jacke meinst du? Diese?
Ja, genau.
Oh ja, gut. Dann nehme ich die Jacke. So, in den Warenkorb und zur Kasse gehen. Klick und schon gehört sie mir. Hier noch Name und Adresse eingeben und dann...
Okay. So what is the answer? Was bestellt Andrea? So here Andrea bestellt eine Jacke. He ordered one jacket. Eine Jacke. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see fear of die Entscheidung. The Entscheidung means the decision. Lesen Sie den Dialoge. You read the dialogue. Und ergänzen Sie die Tabelle and complete the table. So before that, we'll see this welcher and dieser. Welcher means which, dieser means this. So actually, if it is a masculine gender, we write welcher, er ending come. If you are writing this before the neutral noun, we use welches, es ending we write. When you use this before the feminine noun, we use e ending. Okay, like you say welcher. Let us say welche Jacke. Here, welcher Mantel means which jacket, welches Kleid, which dress, welche Jacke, which jacket, and welche Schuhe. If it is a plural, we use e ending, welche Schuhe. In answer also, these are, if it is a masculine, if you are writing before the masculine noun, we use er ending. Okay, we write er ending, welcher. If you are writing before neutral noun, welches. If you are writing feminine noun, before feminine noun, we use welche. If you are writing plural noun, welche. Okay, so please you remember this ending. For masculine noun, we write er ending, neutral es, feminine e, plural e. So see how we can use in the dialogue. See this dialogue. Zimal. Zimal means look. Their Mantel is dog tall. Means the coat is great order, isn't it? Welcher Mantel then? Which jacket then? So here Mantel is masculine gender. So that's why we are writing er ending. See here, welcher Mantel, which jacket? Which coat, sorry. Welcher Mantel, which coat? Nah, these are here. Nah, this here. So see here we are talking about mantle. So that's why here these are come. This here. Findest du, how do you find? Also, ich finde diese Jacke here viel besser. I find this jacket here much better. So Jacke is a feminine gender. So that's why E is coming here. E ending come. Yeah. This jacket find here much better. Welche Jacke meinst du? Which jacket do you mean? These are this? Yeah, genau. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, oh yes, good. The name is the Jacke, then I take the jacket. Okay, so you remember the these endings. According to the gender of the noun, we write the endings to this welcher and dieser. Next you see, so wherever I have highlighted, in place of that, you can use this vocabulary. See, Ferrieren Sie den Dialoge Fiera means you modify the dialogue 4a. So here das Kleid means the dress. Their rock means skirt. Their shawl means muffler. Das Tuk means this cloth. It's one kind of cloth. Okay, the especially female person, they tie around the neck. That is called das Tuk. Das Hemd means shirt. Das T-shirt. T-shirt is t-shirt. The shoes. The stiffer, boots. The sweatshirt is sweatshirt. Their pullover is sweater. Okay, so in place of this mantle and yaka, you can use any one of the word from this. Okay, hope you understood this topic. Now we'll see next exercise. Listen, see, then chat means you read the chatting. Warum gefällt Andrea die Jacke nicht? Means why the Andrea don't like jacket. So we have seen here audio we have listened. Yeah, Andrea, what you order? Andrea order jacket. Yeah, he order a jacket from internet. Okay, so he received the jacket, but he don't like it. So why he don't like? Okay, Warum gefällt Andrea die Jacke nicht? So see in this chatting. So already meaning you will find right side. Andrea is saying, is so klein für diese Welt, means is too small in this world. So Jana is saying, was is los? Was is los is a phrase means what's going on? 1,75 Meter is doch nicht so klein. 1.75 is not so small, isn't it? So Andrea is saying, aber so klein für die Jacke aus dem Internet. He is saying, but too small jacket came from the internet. Und wer hat sie mir empfohlen? And who recommended it to me? Jana said, oops. Hast du die Jacke schon bekommen? Means have you already, you have already got the jacket? Okay, have you received the jacket? Please underline bekommen. Du hast sie schon erst gestern bestellt. You have just ordered it yesterday. Gestern means yesterday. Please underline bestellt. Now in between Sushi, in between Yana's and Andrea chatting, Sushi come in between and she is writing question mark. Means what happened. So first Andrea is replying to Yana for gestern. Here she asked, no, you have just ordered the jacket yesterday. He's saying for gestern, day before yesterday. Now he's replying to Sushi. Im Geschäft habe ich keine Jacke gefunden. Means in the shop I haven't found jacket. Da habe ich zusammen mit Jana eine Jacke im Internet bestellt. So there I have ordered together with Jana one jacket. So please underline bestellt. Heute ist das Paket angekommen. Means today the packet has arrived. Okay, or package has arrived. Here please underline angekommen. Angekommen means arrived. Und ich habe sie gleich probiert. And I have tried it immediately. Probiert means tried out. The Jacke ist viel zu groß. Means the jacket is too big. Das sieht blöd aus. That's looking stupid. Please underline sieht and aus. Actually, it's a separable verb. Aussehen means to look or to appear. That's looking stupid. Und die Farbe hat im Internet toll ausgesehen. And the color looked great in the internet. Please underline ausgesehen. Ausgesehen means, okay, looked or shown. Aber jetzt gefällt sie mir gar nicht. But now, not at all like me. Okay, gar nicht means not at all. Now Jana is saying, du kannst die Dog bestimmt umtauschen. Means you can definitely exchange it. Hast du schon bezahlt? Have you already paid? Please underline bezahlt. So Andrea is saying, ja klar, yes. Ich habe schon bezahlt. Ich habe sofort bezahlt. I have paid immediately. Sofort means immediately. Und ich bin schon zur Post gefahren. And I have already gone to the post. Und habe sie zurückgeschickt. And I have sent it back. Please underline zurückgeschickt. Aber jetzt muss ich weiter suchen. But now I must search further. Here weiter suchen means search further. Now Sushi is saying, see here they are talking about jacket, and in between Sushi is saying, coming and she saying, hast du nicht letzte Woche schon eine Hose umgetauscht? Means, okay, did not you exchange pant last week? So they are talking about jacket, and she is talking about hose. So what Andrea is saying, und so was nennt man Freunde, and what that's, okay, and that's what you call friends. Okay, why? Because here they are talking about jacket and she is talking about the pant. Okay, so now we'll see B. Lesen Sie den Chat noch einmal. You read the chatting once again und markieren Sie alle Verben im Perfect, and you mark all the verbs in perfect. Ergänzen Sie die Partizip 2 Formen in der Tabelle, and you complete the Partizip 2 form in the table. Markieren Sie GE. So see, already I wrote the answers, okay, here. So see, finden Partizip 2 is gefunden. Fahren, gefahren. Probieren, probiert. Uncommon means to arrive. Partizip 2 is angekommen. Aussehen Partizip 2, ausgesehen. Umtauschen, umgetauscht. Zurückschicken, zurückgeschickt. Bekommen Partizip 2 is bekommen only. Bestellen, bestellt. Bezahlen, bezahlt. Empfehlen, empfohlen. So if you see here, wherever there is a trennbare Verben, see these are 4 trennbare Verben. So G form coming between the prefix and verb. Okay, ankommen, angekommen, arrive, arrived. Aussehen, ausgesehen. Umtauschen, umgetauscht. Zurückschicken, zurückgeschickt. If you observe, G form is coming between prefix and verb. Yeah, so you have to remember. Okay, whenever you are writing in participes Y, G form come after prefix, between prefix and verb. And in nicht trennbare Verben, mean non-separable verb, G form don't come. Okay, so please make a note in your notebook, this one, and you have to remember. So now we'll see Sesh. Was haben Sie gemacht? Means what did you do? Wählen Sie 4 Zeitangaben. Means you choose 4 time related statement und 4 Verben and 4 verbs. Und schreiben Sie, and you write down. Actually, with the help of this Zeitangaben, okay, this is Zeitangaben, and this verb, you have to write the sentence in perfect. So first I will tell you the meaning. See, letzte Woche means last week. Letztes Wochenende, last weekend. Letzten Montag, last Monday. Letzten Dienstag, last Tuesday. Vor 3 Tagen, 3 days ago. Vor einer Woche, 1 week ago. Gestern, yesterday. Heute, today. So please you write down this in your notebook. This is very important vocabulary. And this verb, okay, you have to frame the sentence in perfect using this verb. So see, bekommen means to get, bezahlen to pay, verkaufen to sell, fahren to travel, to drive, machen to do, anrufen to call, besuchen to visit, arbeiten to work, einladen to invite. So already I wrote the answer right side. You see, example sentences I wrote. You can, if you want, you can write another example also. Here I gave my own examples. So see, letzten Montag habe ich 12 Stunden gearbeitet. Means last Monday I have worked 12 hours. Gestern habe ich meine alle Rechnungen bezahlt. Means yesterday I have paid my all the bills. Rechnung means bills. Bill. Vor einer Woche habe ich mein Auto verkauft. Means 1 week ago I sold my car. Letzte Woche habe ich meine Freunde zum Essen eingeladen. Last week I have invited my friend to food. Letztes Wochenende habe ich ein Softwareprojekt gemacht. Means last weekend I did one software project. Gestern habe ich nach Berlin gefahren. Yesterday I drove to the Berlin. Heute habe ich ein Museum besucht. Today I visited one museum. Vor 3 Tage habe ich meine alte Freunde angerufen. 3 days ago, I have called my old friend. Okay. So in this way, you can frame the sentences in perfect using this Zeitangaben and this verb. Okay. So now we'll see 7a, 7a. Betonung. Betonung means emphasize. Okay. Emphasize or stress. Okay. Betonung von Verben with prefix means emphasize of verb with prefix. Hören Sie, you listen. Was ist betont? What is emphasize? Das prefix or the verb stem. Prefix or verb stem. Unterstreichen Sie, you underline, und ergänzen Sie die Regel and you complete the rule. So in this verb, whether prefix emphasize or stem verb emphasize, that you have to listen and you have to mark. So I'm playing the audio, listen carefully.
Aufgabe 7a.
1a bekommen 1b ankommen
2a besuchen 2b weitersuchen
3a einkaufen 3b verkaufen
Okay, I will play same audio once again, listen carefully.
Aufgabe 7a.
1a bekommen 1b ankommen
2a besuchen 2b weitersuchen
3a einkaufen 3b verkaufen
Okay, so see here bekommen. So here verb stem betont means here stem verb emphasize. Here uncommon unemphasize. Here suk emphasize. Here weiter emphasize. Here ein emphasize. Okay, here kauf emphasize. So if you observe here, so what is the rule? Already I wrote the answer. Prefix betont means prefix emphasize. So thus the verb is it a trennbare or a nicht trennbare? Trennbare means separable verb or non-separable verb. If prefix emphasize, so see wherever prefix emphasize, it is a separable verb, trennbare verb. And prefix nicht betont. So wherever prefix is not emphasized, see here big common, okay, besuchen, verkaufen. So that is a nicht trennbare verb. That is non-separable verb. Okay. So now we'll see 7b. Hören Sie und sprechen Sie nach. You listen and you repeat. So you have to listen and you repeat how they pronounce. Like kommen, gekommen. Bekommen means to get. Bekommen. Ankommen, angekommen. Kaufen, gekauft. Verkaufen, verkauft. Einkaufen, eingekauft. So just to listen this audio, how they pronounce, that you have to pay attention.
Aufgabe 7b. 1.
kommen gekommen bekommen bekommen ankommen angekommen
2.
kaufen gekauft verkaufen verkauft einkaufen eingekauft